Hey creators, here's an update on what I've been working on. So I've been working on crocheting hearts. Why? Getting ready to donate them to Hearts Need Art, which is a nonprofit organization that brings art experiences to people going through tough times. So I've made 16 hearts so far, and I have 4 more to go because my goal is 20. If you're interested in making your own hearts to donate, there's still time. The deadline is May 1st to finish your project and mail them in by May 1st. It doesn't have to be crochet. It can be paper. It can be actually any material, any type of heart that you want to create and donate will be very much appreciated. So let's spread some love and kindness together by supporting Hearts Need Art and the amazing work that they do and the amazing work that you do with your hands or however you put your hearts together to craft those amazing designs that you love to create. Let's do it together for a great cause. When you do, you can use this hashtag make 1000 give 1000, so that they can track your donation and it can be spread and shared throughout their social media as well. I want to share with you and show you the hearts that I'm creating. And if you want to create something similar or just like this, here's how easy it is to do. So I'm showing you my screen here that shows the hearts that I've made. Actually, you can't even see all of them. I should slide this over. There, now you can see them. So this is the heart that I started with. I started with this one right here, and it's pretty detailed. And then it has the border that goes all the way around here. But I got closer and closer to the deadline, and I said, I need to modify this so that I can make more and do it fairly quickly. So then I went to this heart right here, and then I added this border that makes it very, very frilly. So it's kind of a 3D kind of heart. That's still pretty cool. So then after that, I modified it and I went to this, and I made a much simpler border that goes around. I still have the ends to weave in here. Yep, and that's what I decided to go with. So these are finished. They have the borders, and these I still have to do the border. So I'm going to border these and I'm going to create 4 more and then I'll be finished. But I want to show you how quick and easy this pattern works up in the event that you want to create something like this. So let's go full screen so that you can see. So I'm going to create a pink heart. I'm going to clean up the background here so that you can hopefully see it a bit better. It's going to be, this is what I'm creating right here. So you start with a slip knot, however you create your slip knots. And it starts with a chain 18. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And then in the 4th chain from the hook, you're going to add 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then in the next 4 chains, you're going to add a double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next 5, you're going to double crochet them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have 6 on the hook, and we pull through all 5 of those. And then in the next 4, you're going to double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the very last hook or chain, you're going to do 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to work the other side, and the next 6 stitches you're going to do a double crochet. 1, 2, 3. And what I try to do is weave in this loose end as I go. 4, 5, 6. And then in the next space, you're going to do 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then in the next 6 spaces, you're going to do 1 double crochet. Still weaving in that string as you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you're going to do a slip knot in the 3rd chain from the beginning. And you could have a V heart, but we're going to add 1 more row all the way around. So to do that, we're going to chain 3. I had chained one already. Then we're going to do a double crochet in that same spot right underneath it. Then we're going to do 2 double crochets in the next 5 spaces. So this is the first space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to do a double crochet in the next 2 spaces. And then we're going to crochet 5 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then all together. The next 2 spaces, 1 double crochet. The next 6 spaces, 2 double crochet. One, 2, 3. If you get off track, just pull it out and start over. That's 2. 3. 4. 5. And 6. So in the next 8 spaces, you're going to do a double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in the next space, you're going to do 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, And then the next 8 spaces, you're going to do a double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're back to that beginning chain, and we're going to do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the beginning. And there's your heart. Just like this one. Cool, right? We just created our heart. So I'm going to extend this yarn out so that I can cut it. Tighten that up. And then we'll be able to weave in the ends of this heart. Here it is for the camera. And here it is for this camera. So this is another one that I will take and trim it with the black yarn. So now I have 3 more to make and the rest to trim. So happy heart creating. Let me know what you're making, what type of materials you're using to make your hearts if you're participating.